How you doing? This is Ryan with the Bring It On Cleaner and Drill Brushes. Today we're going to clean this garage door because we're getting ready to apply a fresh coat of paint to it. So in order to do that, we need to clean it, get all this old, dirty, faded paint off here. If you have any chipped paint or rust, you got to clean that off. So what we have here are our drill brushes. You know, a lot of people would come through here with a hand brush. That's not going to cut it. Attach a drill brush right to the drill. You got a 3-pack here. You got a detail brush, a corner brush, and a flat brush. Get some water on there and let the drill do the work for you. Okay, so we're halfway through the cleaning. We've done the whole top here. You can tell how much of a difference it makes. This is just a bunch of faded, sun-damaged paint, and we're just getting that off here. The drill brushes are just amazing for this. Check this out. Look at that. Back here. So after cleaning about 2/3 of this garage door with these drill brushes, I realized that I'm not going to have to paint this garage. I basically saved the door. Drill brushes saved the day. That's a good day's work. Bring It On Cleaner, drillbrushes.com. Thanks for watching.